Thank you for interviewing me. I'm Vincent, CEO of Busworld International. Of course, we are excited to be back in Busworld Southeast Asia, especially in Jakarta, Indonesia. Why we are here? Because Indonesia is a big market with a lot of challenges and a lot of possibilities. We have here in this exhibition the bodybuilders of Indonesia, and they are really producing very good quality products for a reasonable and competitive price. That is why we are here, because of them, and also because of the fact that in Indonesia the government is really willing to electrify and to renew the whole bus fleet. The bus fleet in Indonesia is very important. It's the backbone of the mobility and of big cities as Jakarta and others in the region. So yes, Busworld is active in Indonesia. We are here, we will stay here, and for the future we hope that some tenders from the government will fall and that our bodybuilders can really sell their buses, that suppliers can supply what they need, and that everyone in the ecosystem of the bus industry is really prevailing and having a good future. Thank you.